Right, we're at the stage of gluing. So we got all this, all the flow point in now. All the weed membrane, grass is done, all cut in. So we've just dragged it back. And we got all the concrete exposed, all cleaned off now. So that's all down there, look. And all the way around. So what we're going to do now is we'll just take you out here. Is Fraser's mixing this stuff up. Let me have a look what it's called, Frey. This is this wet fix. So that's the product there. It comes in 2 parts. That's the first part. And then you've got this other stuff then, which is the hardener. So once you mix the hardener into that, then obviously it starts to set. But if you've seen our previous videos, and please go back and have a little look, because it's worth it, just for the laughter. Brad tried to mix this and he had it all over his boots and it was everywhere, Brad, wasn't it? And I think it made me laugh to a point where I nearly wet myself. So yeah, go back and have a look at the artificial grass. So go on in, Frey, let's get mixing and we'll put it on. So you put the hardener in now. We're all scared because the last time we did this, Brad filled his boots with it. Just put your feet either side of it, and it's really, really stiff. So just put the drill on slow, just very, very slow. See how stiff it is? The bucket's going to want to turn. Right, I'm going to give him a hand and then we're going to come back to you. Right, we've mixed this up now with success. We didn't fill our boots with it. It says you can use this in adverse weather conditions. So presumably that means if it's pouring out with rain, you can use it. So this concrete is wet. So what we're finding, that is when you start doing this, it doesn't seem to want to stick to the concrete. So you guys out there, leave them in the comments below. Advice. What do you guys, you can see now, look, I'm trying to get that to stick and it's just not, it's not sticking. I presume that if this concrete was dry, then it would stick. The other thing is how do you guys apply it? Looking for a bit of assistance here. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting a gloop of it on there, like that, and then I'm putting it on. Tell we're bricklayers, can't you? I mean, we know what we're doing. It's just a case of this stuff. I mean, I know you can buy this stuff in tubes as well, and I know some of the lads would prefer to use it in a tube and just squirt it on. But I don't know. We've used this before with success, haven't we, Brad? It's stuck really, really well. But it was in the summertime, so we'll carry on. We'll get this all stuck down. We'll show you. If you could leave some help in the comments below. Maybe you do this and you can buy an applicator for it or something, or what, I don't know. If you could help us, I'd appreciate it. So Brad, get off the bloody phone and give me a hand. Right, this is what we got left. We're going to do a little experiment now. So I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've been doing out there. Now that's kind of what I've been doing. I suppose you could use one of those tile things and do that, but it wasn't sticking to the damp concrete very well. Yeah, good, thanks, Ross. So just stick that on there now, look. And then we'll come back to that and see if it's see what it's like when it's set. Yeah, I thought I'd show you this as well. Look, that's the glue we used yesterday. That's rock solid. You can see I tried to pull that and I've actually pulling the grass through. That, honest to God, right, that is not going anywhere at all. That is literally stuck rock solid to there. So that glue we used, top marks from Tudor Grass, 10 out of 10. Brilliant stuff. Really recommend that. Right, let's show you the final finish of it all.